rational functions and graphs, what I want you to remember first is that the denominator, the way you find your restriction, remember your restriction, you only look at the denominator and you set it equal to 0. So x equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0, and x plus 5 equals 0. So your restrictions is x cannot equal 0, 2, or negative 5. Okay? That is your restrictions. Now, the reason I tell you all that is because your restrictions in your domain is the same thing, basically. So, to find your domain, you only look in the denominator. This cannot be factored. So, x cannot be 3. Well, if you look at a number line and here's 3, it can't be 3. It's everything before it and everything after it. So, negative infinity to 3, then you have this u because you skipped 3 to infinity. Okay? Now, this g of x equals x is the one that's a little bit longer because x is x minus 3 and x plus 3. So x cannot be negative 3 or 3. So when you do your number line, you have negative 3 and 3. Everything before it, everything in the middle, and everything after. So remember, you write that as negative infinity to negative 3, union, negative 3 to 3, another union, and 3 to infinity. Okay? These are your domains on these two. If you look at this one, x squared plus 9, the only way to answer that is to say x squared equals negative 9, and you take the square root, so x equals plus or minus 3i. When it's like that, your domain is always going to be negative infinity to infinity because that's not a real number, okay? So when anything asks you about the domain of the function, and we've already done this before, you look at the denominator, you factor it, and you put it on your number line.